memorized the past tense chart in our last lesson, and in this lesson we will do some practices. And first of all, I want you to memorize the vocabulary of these words. Fataha means he opened, kataba means he wrote, sami'a means he heard, shariba means he drank, fahima means he understood, lahaba means he went, amila means he worked, qara'a means he read, zalasa means he sat, sawama means he fasted, akala means he ate, shakara means he thanked. Nasara means he helped, and it tells us that it has huwa hidden inside. Nasara means he helped. Muhammad is a name, and it is in rafa form right now, so this is going to replace the inside doer, meaning he. So the translation is going to be Muhammad helped. Nasara Muhammadun, Muhammad helped. So Nasara Muhammadun, Muhammad helped akhahu. Akhun means brother, and who is the attached version of huwa. So huwa means he. So akhahu, brother of his. Nasara Muhammadun, Muhammad helped, and akhun become akha because it's a nasab. It's a detail. So who did he help? Brother. Nasara Muhammadun, Muhammad helped akhahu, brother of his. Kataba. Kataba means he wrote. Kataba means he wrote. So huwa kataba, huma kataba. Okay, in huma you have extra a sound, kataba, which tells us that it is there's a huma hidden inside of this, meaning we are talking about two people. So kataba means he wrote, kataba means two people, two masculine people wrote. Remember the Muslim chart? Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, waladani. So waladun means boy. If I say waladani, I am talking about two boys. And it is in rafa form. So again, this rafa is going to replace the inside huma. So instead of becoming the two of them wrote, the translation is going to be the two boys wrote. What did they write? Ad-darsa, the lesson. Fahima means he understood. Huwa fahima, huma fahima, hum fahimu, fahimu. Fahimu tells us that there is a hum inside. So fahima means he understood. Fahimu means they. The masculine understood. What did they understand? Ad-darsa, the lesson. Sharibat. Sharaba means he drank. Shariba means he drank. Huwa shariba, huma shariba, hum sharibu, hiya sharibat. Hiya means she. She drank. Sharibat means she drank. Who drank? Fatimatu. Fatima is a name, and it is in rafa form. So it is going to replace the inside doer, meaning hiya. So instead of she drank, the translation is Fatima drank. What did she drink? Al-labana. Laban means milk. Al-labana means the milk. And it is in nasab, you know why, because it is a details. So it becomes nasab. Al-labana. Again, we have fahima. Fahima means he understood. So huwa fahima, huma fahima, hum fahimu, hiya fahimat, huma fahimata. Huma means both of them, and fahimata tells us that we are talking about the feminine huma. So fahimata meaning the two feminine understood. Fahima means he understood. Fahimata means the two feminine understood. Al bintani. Bintun means daughter. And Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimani, bintani. It tells us that we are talking about two girls. Bintun means daughters or girls. And bintani means two daughters or two girls. And it is in Rafa form. So the translation is the two girls understood. Instead of they, both of them girls understood or both of them feminine understood, the translation is the two girls understood ad-darsa, the lesson. Nasara means he helped. Huwa nasara, huma nasara, hum nasaru, hiya nasarat, huma nasarata, hunna nasarna, hunna nasarna. And hunna is when we're talking about all the feminine. So nasarna means they feminine helped. Nasara means he helped. Nasarna means the feminine helped. Nisa'u means women, plural, and it is in Rafa form, so it will replace the inside hunna. So the translation is the woman helped. Who did the help? Al-fuqara'a, the poor. Faqirun means poor. And this is plural, so plural version of faqirun is fuqara'a. The woman helped the poor. Ya Ahmad, O Ahmad. La'iba. La'iba means he played. Huwa la'iba, huma la'iba, hum la'ibu, hiya la'ibat, huma la'ibata, hunna la'ibna, anta la'ibta. So it has anta inside. La'ibta, you played. Instead of la'iba, he played, la'ibta, you played. Bil kurati. Ba means with. Kurati means the ball. With the ball. O Ahmad, you played with the ball. Dakhala means he entered. Dakhala means he entered. Huwa dakhala, huma dakhala, hum dakhalu, hiya dakhalat, huma dakhalata, hunna dakhalna, anta dakhalta, antuma dakhaltuma. Antuma. Looks like there is antuma inside of this. So, you both. Dakhala means he entered. Dakhaltuma means you both entered. What did you enter? Al-masjida, the mosque. Amila means you. Amila means he worked. Huwa amila, huma amila, hum amilu, hiya amilat, huma amilata, hunna amilna. Anta amilta, antuma amiltuma, antum amiltum. So amila means he worked. Amiltum means you all worked. Okay. Antum is inside. You all worked. Bi ikhlasin. Ba means with. Ikhlas means sincerity. You all worked with sincerity. Qara'a means he read. Qara'a means he read. But it has this T, which tells us that anti qara'ati. Anti qara'ati. Sorry, anti qara'ti. And that tells us that there is an anti inside. So you feminine, you read. Qara'a means he read. Qara'ti means you feminine read. What did you read? Al-Quran, the Quran. Ya bintani. Bintun means daughter. Bintani means daughter or girls, both words. Bintani means two girls or two daughters. Ya bintani, or two girls. Zalastuma. Zalasa means he sat. Zalasa means he sat. And the tuma ending tells us that there is a antuma hidden inside jalasa. So if jalasa means he sat, zalastuma means both of you feminine sat. Remember anti antuma antunna. We are talking about feminine. And the bintani meaning two girls also tells us that we are talking about feminine. So or two girls, you both sat fil fasli. Faslun means classroom. Fi means in. And fi is a harf of zar. So it is making the next word jar. Fasli. Or two girls, you both sat in the classroom. Soma means he fasted. Soma means he fasted. Antunna, somtunna, sumtunna. Antunna, sumtunna meaning you all fasted. Ramadan. O Omen, you fasted Ramadan. So this Omen is actually added extra just to make sense that we are talking to Omen. But if you translate it like you fasted Ramadan, that will also work. But just for clarity that we are talking about talking to Omen, so this extra two words are added. Omen, you fasted Ramadan. Ana means I, and if you remember the Nasara chart, Huwa Nasara, Huma Nasara, Hum Nasaru, Ya Nasarat, Huma Nasarata, Hunna Nasarna, Anta Nasarta, Antuma Nasartuma, Antum Nasartum, Anti Nasarti, Antuma Nasartuma, Antunna Nasartunna, Ana Nasartu. So it looks like when we have Ana, there is going to be an extra tu at the end. So Akala means he ate, and Akal tu tells us that I ate. There is an ana inside of this hidden. What did I eat? Tufahatu. Tufahatun means apple. So akaltu, I ate at tufahata, the apple. Shakara means he thanked. Nahnu shakarna, we thanked. Shakarna Allah, we thanked Allah. Ala means upon. It can also mean for. Ni'amihi, blessings of his. He is attached pronoun of huwa. Ni'amihi, blessings of his.